So Corey last night was in our suite, right? This morning we woke up, chickens everywhere. We know it's you, Corey.
I think it's Daryl.
We are 90% sure the RAs are behind it. We don't trust them for a second.
Tanya knows.
Tanya knows?
Totally rabbit.
We're not gonna harass Asia, but
No.
he did it.
Totally Corey.
It's a student or an RA.
Lowry and Jan and Coco.
Danny has an obsession with birds. Yeah.
Who are you? Reveal yourself!
There is a long game, inception level execution about to go off.
Oh my god. How close can we hint at it without it like really going on the line? So from the boom, boom, boom of the bass drum to the chick, chick, chick of the hi-hat. Chick, chick. Drums.
Dixie Chicks. I'm gonna figure something out.
Very slowly, we're trying to see if we can get it to permeate the actual art that they made.
I said a boom chicka boom. 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 The chickens get into the tomatoes. Where are you gonna put them?
So Sunday evening, each of you will be getting 3 to 5. Hide them yourselves. No one can see you do it.
Oh, you could probably ask him your printing question.
Oh yeah.
I don't like it.
Why is it wet?
Did you hear what happened at the dorms?
No.
There's a bunch of little like scenes with little crayons and wooden blocks and chickens and like massacres.
Yeah, there was a chicken strip.
Yeah.
The following evening is cabaret number 2. We will have access to the dorms. We have purchased a lot of like miniature stuff to create vignettes for each of the suites in their common space.
This is not working.